Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in your kitchen. So we have 2 Cornish hens. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up real good. We're gonna slice it down the middle. We're gonna make it happen right here in this good kitchen. Okay, so I let it soak, pat it dry, all that good stuff. So the inside of the meat is all cleaned up, fresh and clean. So now we're gonna make this little marinade. We'll let it marinate for like 45 minutes to an hour. Red vinegar. Chicken marinade. All-purpose chicken marinade. Now we're gonna season it up. Some garlic powder. Make sure the other side get a nice little seasoning to it. Applewood rub. Basil. Now we'll give it a nice spray with some vegetable oil. put the top on there. We're gonna just shake it around, and we're gonna let them go ahead and marinate for 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, 45 minutes later, we have some vegetable oil in there. Give it a nice little shake. Just take back over here. That'll give a nice little color on each side. So I say 8 minutes on each side. We're not gonna cook it on the stove. We'll put it in the oven and let it do its thing. Okay, so that's 8 minutes on the meat side down. Okay, so we just gave it 4 minutes on the skin side now. It's going in the oven just like that on 400. some basil. Sprinkle some basils on there. That good skin. That's gonna be a delicious bird. We're gonna spread down some vegetable oil. There you go, right there. I say about 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. Preheat on 400. Okay, so there we go right there. 45 minutes on 400. Now we're going to go ahead and add some barbecue sauce and hot honey. A little spices, a little hot honey. And we'll get this good food on a nice plate. Okay, so here we go right here. This is that delicious bird, Cornish hens. When I say it's fire, it's fire. Wife love it. She doing her thing over there. But that's how I'm looking right here in this good kitchen. And I say, when you throw it in the oven, put it on like 375 for 25 minutes. $400 for another 20 minutes or 25 minutes, however you want to do it. Either give it 45 minutes or a whole hour. Or 50 minutes, however you want to do it. But that's how we looking. We have our little top on there. We have that hot honey. And that Bay Ray barbecue sauce. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice. We also have our vegetables.